Alright, we're going to fly through this quickly and get another batch of sauce going. In with our onion and garlic. Add your salt, some pepper. We'll add our ground cumin seeds, cayenne pepper, Chinese 5-spice, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of Natvia, a tin of tomato, my old friend, Worcestershire, this stuff, Sriracha, light soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, liquid smoke, brown vinegar, and add just a little bit of mustard. I want this to be a bit more tangier, so I've added more apple cider vinegar and more brown vinegar. And that's it. Sauce is done. Crack her open. Now we'll blitz it up quickly. Well, there you go. That sauce took 10 minutes to make.